Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the gingerbread blossom seed in Grow a Garden game of Roblox in the Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get the gingerbread blossom seed, you need to join the advent calendar event in Grow a Garden. Wait, let me show you the calendar. Okay, and you need to complete 19 days to get the gingerbread blossom seed as the final reward. Okay, and oh my god, I have already missed 5 days, guys, so maybe I'm not able to get the gingerbread blossom seed unless I recover the days. And to recover the days, we need Robux or tokens. And yeah, after you finish 19 days, you will get this gingerbread blossom seed. And this is a prismatic seed, like the bone blossom and candy blossom. And yeah, but to be honest, the mission is quite hard to complete. I need to harvest 30 buttercups, and I don't have the buttercup seed. And okay guys, that's how you can get the gingerbread blossom seed and grow a garden game of Roblox in the Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.